Ducati episode. I know, exciting, because I didn't think I was going to be doing a Ducati episode today. It was going to be a mongrel episode on cleaning up the wheels and getting the wheels in a good state. But today I've got a present. I have got a gift that has been sent to me, which is this. Even though this is a relatively short episode, I still wanted to put this episode out because this has been kindly made for me by a guy called Shean Johansson. Hopefully I've said your name right. His Instagram will be down below. I am Sean Kojo, and also his YouTube channel. Usually you'll see me giving out shout outs to the channels, and well deserved as well, because the whole YouTube community is a community. We all kind of help each other where we can. Sean especially did an absolute stellar job on my seat here. And Sean himself is actually starting his YouTube channel now with a handful of subscribers. So first thing I want to ask everyone to do is head over to his channel, give him a sub, give him a like for his video as well, because that channel will grow and he is amazing at what he does. This seat is the Ducati Ghost. Beautiful in every way. I wanted an unusual seat to go with the Ducati, a very angular seat as well, because the Ducati itself is a very angular bike. I wanted the seat to be very angular as well and to carry on with those lines. Sean had a few suggestions of his own, which was brilliant. So we settled on this kind of suede material at the end, still waterproof, and then with the leather trim going through the middle. This is Sean's input here. So Sean had this leather trim going through the middle and also the leather trim on the side as well. So that's durable on each side. Gorgeous orange stitching going straight through, obviously complements the orange frame here. Finished off with some light grey stitching on the side here, and obviously the light grey is going to be part of the colour I'm going to use on the actual body itself. You may have seen in the previous episode that I did create the seat base and the foam to send over to Sean. And what he's done with it since is even more incredible. Actually, from what I understand as well, Sean does offer his services to anyone that wants their seat done as well. So send him a message, DM him, or get in touch with him, whichever way, he'll be able to cost the job up for you. Enough talking from me. I want to get the body on here. The body isn't finished yet. The body has been coated with a clear coat, sanded with a 120 grit again, so you'll see it's not looking the best at the moment. But I do want to get it on this bike and see how it looks with this in place. This seat looks absolutely spectacular in place. It's a little bit dusty from me now because of my dusty hands from this dusty bike. It does need to be sandwiched down a little bit better than what I have done here. I've literally just placed it in place. When it comes down, it'll be flush with the top of that as well. So that is a really neat finish to it. Kind of extends that a little bit more as well. I can always shorten this down if I think it's a little bit too long, which, you know what, it may possibly be. But you can see how it snugs ever so neatly at the front here. It doesn't make that dip look as big now. So tank comes down a little bit. It's just a slight drop. Oh, there's a bit of filler I need to sand off there. It's just a slight drop that goes into the seat, and then that carries on the line. So even from the side, that is perfect. That is a perfect line, a perfect width, and then it goes up perfectly with that. I'm really happy with this seat. Sean's done a really good job. I'm so happy with it. I think Sean's choice of having this leather side on the side here finishes it as well. I think if it would have been kind of like the suede material, it wouldn't have been as impactful, I don't think. I'm really happy with that. And of course, the orange stitching works brilliantly with this orange frame. It's going to be the only bit of orange on the top here. All the rest is going to be carbon fibre and grey, and this little orange piece at the top just kind of ties it all in together. Perfect. So that is a massive thank you to Sean there. If you want to see the process of Sean creating this seat, then head over to his YouTube channel and you can see the entire process there, from when I sent him the foam and the base all the way to the end. So this video, of course, is a little bit out of the ordinary of the normal building videos. No real building today, but I just wanted to keep you up to date with what's going on with the Ducati and also the seat progress and things like that. So next week we will have a mongrel video, and then in the next couple of weeks there will be a proper Ducati video, the actual carbon fibre tank, or the process of creating the carbon fibre tank, the monocoque tank that is. If you like what you see, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well, you get daily snaps. Also visit fortheboldindustries.com if you want to see if there's any merchandise for you. Most importantly, head over to Sean's YouTube channel, give him a like, give him a subscribe. He's starting out, and obviously every single subscription counts when you're starting off. So everyone, I will see you next week. Bye bye.